Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today we're drawing Mira, one of the fierce, stylish, and confident heroines from K-pop Demon Hunters. Grab your sketchbook, get comfy, and let's bring her to life in a vibrant cartoon style. Start with the basic shapes for Mira's pose. We've already fast-forwarded the rough sketch, but feel free to pause the video if you'd like to study it in detail. Now sketch her confident expression. A sharp gaze and a slightly raised eyebrow will capture her strong aura. Mira is one of the lead members of the Demon Hunting group, combining magical powers and performance energy. Next, outline her face and hairline. Her pink hair symbolizes both passion and determination, two of her strongest traits. The movie blends Korean mythology with modern urban fantasy, a fresh mix that fans love. And another interesting fact, early concept art of Mira showed several different hairstyles before the team settled on her iconic long ponytail. Let's move to her outfit. Begin with her cropped top, short and loose, showing off her dynamic look. Her character embodies confidence and leadership. She often takes charge in battle scenes. The creators designed her outfit to mix street fashion with K-pop aesthetics, giving her a bold and unique silhouette. Draw her skirt with flowing curves and small details like the hanging tassel on her side, tiny touches that make her stand out. Now it's time for the boots. Long, sleek, and stylish. They give her that modern warrior vibe. And remember, if you ever get stuck or things move too fast, just pause the video, take your time, and keep going. Drawing is all about having fun. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss our next tutorials. Have a favorite character you'd like to see next? Leave your suggestion in the comments. I'd love to hear it. Her weapon, the gokdo, is inspired by traditional Korean polearms but redesigned with a futuristic twist. Draw her arms and gloves. Her stance is assertive, holding the gokdo firmly. Make sure her hand grip feels natural. Time for her iconic weapon, Mira's gokdo, or magical woldo. Sketch the long staff and the large glowing blade with elegant curves. Don't forget the heart-shaped tip at the other end. That small detail adds a cute contrast to her powerful pose. Mira's hair is long, flowing, and full of energy, just like her personality. Once the line art is clean, let's talk colors. Use a deep pink for her hair, navy blue for the gloves and boots, and bright yellow for her skirt. The weapon can have a gradient between purple, pink, and cyan, but feel free to experiment your way. Make sure you keep your colors balanced. Mira's design is bold, but harmony between tones makes her shine even more. Finally, review your drawing, add highlights and clean outlines. And here's our Mira, glowing, powerful, and full of charm. Keep drawing, stay creative, and never stop having fun with your art. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.